Hello everyone, this is Amandeep. Welcome to my channel. So this is the first video of the level 3 listening practice. In this video, I will be reading a story to you and you are given with the summary of the story. So as you listen to the story, you have to fill in the blanks in the summary. Please make sure and pay attention that the summary is not exactly what I am reading. So the words could be different. Pay attention. It is not that difficult. You just need to be alert. Okay? And since this is level 3, so I will be reading the story very slowly for you. Alright? Come on. Let's get started then. The Farmer and the Well. One day, a farmer was looking for a water source for his farm when he bought a well from his neighbor. The neighbor, however, was cunning. The next day, as the farmer came to draw water from his well, the neighbor refused to let him take any water. When the farmer asked why, the neighbor replied, "I sold you the well, not the water," and walked away. Distraught, the farmer went to the emperor to ask for justice. He explained what had happened. The emperor called on Birbal, one of his 9 and wisest courtiers. Birbal proceeded to question the neighbor. "Why don't you let the farmer take water from the well? You did sell the well to the farmer." The neighbor replied, "Birbal, I did sell the well to the farmer, but not the water within it. He has no right to draw water from the well." Birbal said, "Look, since you sold the well, you have no right to keep the water in the farmer's well. Either you pay rent to the farmer or take it out immediately." Realizing that his scheme had failed, the neighbor apologized and went home. Moral of the story: cheating will not get you anything. If you cheat, you will pay soon enough. I hope you all already marked your answers. This was a little difficult than the level 1 and level 2. But if you got your answers, well done. So let's see how many you got right. There you go. I will read the summary for you so that you can mark your answers. Once, a farmer was looking for a water source so that he can water his farm. So, he bought a well from his neighbor. The neighbor had a cunning nature. The next morning, the farmer went to draw water from the well, but the neighbor did not let him take any water. On inquiring the reason, the neighbor replied, "I sold you the well, not the water." Shocked, the farmer went to the court of emperor and asked for justice. The emperor had 9 wise courtiers. He called on Birbal, wisest among them all. Birbal questioned the neighbor, why didn't he let the farmer take water from the well? He also questioned if he sold the well to the farmer. The neighbor replied to Birbal and mentioned that he had only sold the well to the farmer, but not the water within it. So, according to the neighbor, the farmer had no right to take any water from the well. Birbal said to the neighbor that since he had sold the well, he had no right to keep the water in the farmer's well. Birbal told the neighbor to pay rent to the farmer or take out the water immediately. The neighbor realized his scheme had failed. He apologized and went back home. Moral: we should never cheat. I really hope that you all enjoyed this exercise. I will be coming back with more. Keep practicing and keep improving. Trust me, English is an easy language. It just needs your persistent practice. I'll see you in the next video. Have a great day. Bye bye.